paper piecing and wild motion quilting combine to create beautiful, multifaceted gemstone quilt blocks. These stunning works of art are easier to create than you might think, using fabric, needle, and thread. We've bundled the patterns designed by MJ Kinman, Paintbrush Studio fabrics, and Sulky rayon threads to bring you bundles in each gemstone of MJ's Birthstone series. Also available is a mega bundle, including supplies to make all 12 gemstone blocks. Plus, you'll find specialty thread packs that coordinate with MJ's newest Elizabeth Diamond quilts. Learn more about MJ and purchase the supplies individually or in a convenient kit at sulky.com.